There's another video. What's wrong, Max? Can't pick the weight off the fucking floor like a man or what? Let's see if you fucking straighten your arms. No, your arms aren't even straight on the way down, man. What kind of bar is that anyway? Is that a fucking real 45-pound Olympic bar? There's rest. You're fucking done. That's it. You're resting too much, man. You're a fucking pussy. You're nothing like me, Max. My arms will fucking devastate you. Fuck, listen to the guy. He sounds like a fucking idiot. Drops it like a fucking bitch. Fuck, let's see what the comments say on this one. Oh, you're so strong, Max. Let's see. Yeah, I said every pound counts, buddy. Yeah. Didn't even give me nothing for that. He's a fucking idiot. Go get it, Max. Congratulations. These guys don't even know what they're talking about, man. Look at this shit. Ass kissers. Fuck. Who's this guy right here? Fuck. Egg boy? What did he say? Boon doggy strength? Boon doggy strength. That's like fucking puppy dog fucking strength. If that. Badass, Max. You gotta say it again. Oh, let me kiss your ass, Max. Fuck off. Fucking queers. Well, I gotta redo that one. It says, I think he has to be on steroids to do it every day. So I gotta edit that one right now. Okay, I redid that one. I gotta start reading shit before I fucking send it, right? I always do that and I fuck up, man. There we go. Edited. What's so awesome about that one there, Garrett? What? His arms weren't even straight. You like the way he sounded or something? That fucking moan? Hans. Handsome human. Handsome human. Okay. That's kind of weird. I don't really see that one. 110 for 35. You've got it? He didn't even fucking do it full range motion there. Handsome human. Fuck, man. You guys are fucking funny. Fuck, he hasn't beat my strict curl yet either. He'll never even come close. His fucking ass comes off the wall. I got a fucking 158 fucking .4 against the fucking wall. Fuck off, man. This guy's a fucking bitch.